Hello guys, it's AppWiz. How to update Roblox on your mobile. So, you may need to go and update the Roblox app if you're getting some kind of error message, or you're just having issues with Roblox. Now, the very first step is we just need to force close the Roblox application. Now, you can do this by swiping upwards, and then you can just swipe up on the Roblox app to go and force close it. Now, the next step is to go and open up the settings on your phone. Scroll down to General and click on this. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management, and make sure you're not currently connected to a VPN. If you're using a VPN, this isn't going to work. So, make sure to disconnect this first. Now, once you've done this, you can close out of this window. And the first method to update Roblox is simply by opening up the App Store. You can then use the search box and go and search for the word Roblox, and if there's an update available, you should see an update button next to the Roblox app. Now, for me, it says open, and that's because I'm already running the latest version. Now, if this doesn't work for you, another solution is you can come back over to the settings on your phone. From the settings page, scroll down and select General. Click on iPhone Storage, and then you'll need to scroll down and find Roblox from the list of applications. Once you found Roblox, click on it, select Offload App, and then press Offload. You can then press Reinstall App, and by reinstalling this, it's always going to reinstall the latest version of the app. So after a couple of seconds, we can just head back over to our home screen, and you can go and load up Roblox, and you should now be running the latest. Thanks for watching.